Hi everyone. So up till now, you must have seen that I have posted a couple of pictures from my recent trip to Goa. Number one reason, Goa. Goa has my heart. It was my very fifth time which I was visiting, and yet so special, yet so fun and entertaining. But there's one thing that I would want to mention and talk about here is it was my parents' very first flight. So, for some of you all, it must have not been a big deal. It's a regular thing. But I don't exactly have the right amount of words to tell that what it meant for me. But I would want some of the things which should be put out there, which I really want to share and basically document it. Starting with the 50 plus. So it was like that, age factors, be it the health factor, be it the curiosity, the questions, the inquisitiveness. So my dad had like n number of questions, n number of questions. So, security check-in, the air hostess, the co-pilots, like so many questions. And I was so excited, very, very little amount of frustrated at some point, but there was n number of questions which I had to answer on entire trip. एक रिवर्स पेरेंटिंग टर्म होता है, साइकोलॉजी में पढ़ते हैं कि सर्टन पॉइंट के बाद आप अपने पेरेंट्स को पेरेंट करना स्टार्ट कर देते हो, आप उन्हें पालना स्टार्ट कर देते हो. तो मेरे को लगता है मेरे लिए एक वो रियलिटी चेक था जब मुझे उन्हें हर एक चीज़ के लिए एजुकेट करना पड़ा, उन्हें संभालना पड़ा. आई एम सो फ्रीकिंग ग्रेटफुल दैट आई एक्चुअली कुड मेक इट हैपन, बिकॉज ये मेरे लिए इतने टाइम से ड्यू था. मैं इतने टाइम से चाह रही थी कि कब वो मौका आए, कब वो राइट पल आए जब मैं इनको इनकी फर्स्ट फ्लाइट पे लेकर जाऊँ. If I talk about my mom, she would, I would say, very warm, very numb at times because she's very light-hearted. बहुत funny moments भी थे, जैसे कि मेरे डैड वॉशरूम में गए और टर्बुलेंस आ गया तो उन्हें लगा पता नहीं मैंने ऐसा क्या वॉशरूम में कर दिया जिस वजह से पूरी फ्लाइट हिलने लग गई. So मतलब बहुत सारे funny moments थे. Then if I talk about the location itself, Goa, तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो उनके लिए पहली बार थी. Let's say Russian culture, dance bar, then the entire ambience and so many things. So मेरे लिए all in all it was मतलब nothing will top this experience, nothing will beat this experience. Learning, it was full of gratitude, bonding experience with my family, because there have been times where I was very distant with them as any other teenage person would be in their teenage years. But I think this really humbled me down. This has made me realize that what actually means when we say that blood is thicker than water. And I will end this entire video, this entire monologue on one सेंटेंस जो मैंने अभी, मुझे लगता है मैंने वेकेशन से आने के बाद पढ़ा था और मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो एग्जैक्टली राइट टाइम पे मेरे सामने आया था कि मैं उन लोगों पे क्या कुछ खर्च करूं जिन्होंने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी मुझ पे खर्च कर दी. सो दिस इज फॉर योर मॉम एंड डैड.